welcome to my channel, Curly Willow Acres. Thank you so much for being here. You have to excuse my hair and everything a little bit. It's very hot and humid here in Michigan right now. So today's video is about a little redo on my porch because we got such a heat wave and no rain. Now we're getting tons of rain, but we had such a heat wave that all my annuals have started to just die. And they look terrible, and you know, I cut them back like I usually do every year, but this year they're just not bouncing back like they usually do. So I went ahead and I took my annuals off my porch, or most of them, and I redid some planters, and I also did a $6 plastic urn planter from Dollar General, and I really made it into something. I think it looks really cute. It looks like a cement fancy urn. I think it turned out really cute. I can't wait to show you that either. And also for next week, I wanted to tell you about that we are going to about a collaboration I'm going to be doing with the Cottage Show on YouTube here next August 4th. I believe that's on Friday. We're going to do a collaboration together, and I think it's just so sweet of her to want to do that with me. I really appreciated her reaching out and everything. But we're going to do a fall DIY, so I can't wait to show you that. And I have a couple of different fall things I'm going to be doing coming up here. Also a table centerpiece that I'm going to be doing with some friends on Facebook, and I will share it here into a short for you so you can see that. That's going to be fun. It's going to be like a Pinterest remake, taking something we've seen on Pinterest and doing it in our own style. And each of us have a different style, so that's always fun too. So a couple of fun things coming up this week, and I can't wait for you to see these planters. I really think they turn out cute. I would love your opinion. Let me know if you think the planters turned out cute or if they still look cheap and ugly. Also, let me know how your weather's doing where you're at. Thanks a lot. Hello, everyone. This is a refresh of my late summer porch. My planters up here got all nasty and everything, so I had to take them down. I'm trying to bring them back. This is a $12 planter I got at Dollar General. It was buy one get one free, so I got both. I painted them like cement and then added this detailing to it with some cement glue, and I think they look really pretty. They look high-end compared to what they looked like when I first bought them. I put some watering cans there, and of course my chickens, and I have ferns that I had gotten for $4 at Walmart that were dying, and I'm bringing them back to life. I have some alyssum planted here instead of the pansies that were here, because the pansies don't like warm weather. Them two plants look pathetic, I know. And then I put the terrarium up here, and these double cosmos. I know they need water. I just watered them, so they should look better soon, but I'll show you pictures after they perk up. But there's my terrarium, and then still got my light here, and my picture, and all of that. But I hope this helps inspire you that you don't have to spend a lot to make something pretty like the Dollar General planters that really took just paint that I had and some trim that I had. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. Here is the back side of it, and there's my copper planter. That is still doing really good. That's gotten trimmed 4 times now, and it's still doing good. But I just love them planters now. Hope you have a beautiful week. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. That would really help my channel grow. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for stopping by.